You're listening to Weather with Enthusiasm. Freiilach Purim, good morning. It is Friday, March 14th, and we have one of the most powerful storm systems, a spring storm system moving through the Midwest. This is for today into tomorrow. The National Weather Service has informed us that for some places we're going to be breaking records for the low pressure. The pressure will be dipping low enough to be breaking records in some locations. The impact of that, or the importance of that for many locations is just a statistic. But for other locations, this will accurately represent the storm dynamics of what's going to be happening. Winter storm watch has been issued on the backside, where we still have some Arctic air that will be moving in around the same time. Total storm accumulations, 1 to 3 inches per hour is possible in portions of Minnesota, even portions of North Dakota as well. Precipitation starts off as rain and thunderstorms, transitions over to snow. The big story over the next 24 to 48 hours is going to be the wind. This includes a very large portion of the Midwest, including the Chicago area, and the severe weather expected in the South and the Midwest. The severe weather risk is unusually high for today into tomorrow, with a 4, level risk of a 4 over a large area, 4 out of 5. Damaging wind threat is highest in portions of Iowa, Illinois for today. We have Chicago area has a 70 mile per hour wind gust threat for tonight into tomorrow. This is tonight for the severe storms. Tomorrow, high wind watch in effect for 60 mile per hour wind gusts possible there. Des Moines, Iowa, 80 mile per hour wind gusts possible during severe storms. We also have a tornado risk. This includes long tornadoes lasting a long time for Louisiana, portions down in the south. Tornadoes more short-lived up north here in the Illinois area and in the St. Louis, Missouri area. But tornado threat remains. Thunderstorms move across the St. Louis area tonight, 9 to 11 o'clock p.m., and in the Chicago area, anywhere between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m., although some of the models show 3 a.m., still some thunderstorms. It will be at a weakening phase here in the Chicago area. And in fact, when the thunderstorms move across the Chicago area, it does not coincide with the time of most increased instability. So we kind of miss out on the most intense possibilities for things, but nonetheless, there remains a hail threat, a damaging wind threat, and a tornado threat area-wide, tells us the National Weather Service. That includes all of Chicago. We also have record warmth occurring over portions of Illinois today. Temperatures going up to 80 degrees in the south side and west portions of the Chicago region today. Temperatures significantly cooler along the lake, but we still should manage to hit at least 70 degrees in most locations. We have also, in addition, we have another really powerful storm possibly developing for the mid-portions of next week. Temperatures become much warmer by midweek next week. So we have much colder air moving in for tomorrow night here in the Chicago area. In fact, precipitation may even fall as snow. A couple of snow showers possible by early Sunday morning. And then the next warm air comes in for the mid-portions of next week. And once again, for that system, precipitation associated with it at the back end changes over to snow. And there could even be some snowfall accumulation even here in the Chicago area. That's for Wednesday night into Thursday for next week. You know, the Zapata, Texas expected high today, 101 degrees, is being picked up by numerous computer models, not all of them. The National Weather Service has gone ahead and issued their official forecast for a high temperature of 101 in Zapata, Texas this afternoon. Why is it so hot there? So it has to do with compressional warming, which will be taking place as the winds blow down the mountain range in the country of Mexico. But this is also responsible for playing a role in this very intense low pressure system here in the Midwest. 28.9 strengthens to 28.8, and it remains 28.8 to 28.9 over the next 24 hours. Very strong storm system, which moves across the upper Midwest. And that's why we don't have any snow here in the Chicago area. The storm moves track as well to our west. The heaviest snow goes across portions of Minnesota again and for North Dakota. That's where we really see the heavy snow. Next week, another area of heavy snow again expected for the upper Midwest. As of right now, that snow is expected to fall a little bit further east than the one right now, but things could always change. This severe weather threat continues on to the East Coast. The Washington Post has a tremendous article about it where they explain everything thoroughly, and they go through the impacts it's going to have here in the Midwest and the East Coast and the South Central states, including the Tennessee Valley and the Ohio Valley. So you can find more information about that over there. And of course, the National Weather Service is just jam-packed with information in their forecast discussions for all the various cities. The big chiddush over here for the Chicago region, the most innovative news over here, the big shocker here for Chicago is the following, is that almost always here in the Midwest, when you hear a forecast, you're always going to hear showers and thunderstorms. But when you go out to the plains and they're expecting precipitation, if they're expecting showers and thunderstorms, when you go out to the plains, and even more so in the Rockies, you'll hear the term thunderstorms and showers. That means the chances for thunderstorms are higher than the chances for showers. Well, here tonight, here in the Chicago area, the Lashon, the language of the National Weather Service, is thunderstorms likely with showers. So we have the chances of showers, it's thunderstorms. A line of thunderstorms will be moving through the area right now. They look to be intense and quick hitting, but you could find more information about that on the National Weather Service website with the most latest update. Again, it's a weakening phase. As of right now, it looks like to be quick hitting for the Chicago area, but it's a long line of storms passing between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m., possibly even a little bit later than that. I wish everybody a freiilach Purim and have a wonderful Shabbos, and stay safe, enjoy all of the excitement. Realize that there is a chance for power outages, not just from the storms tonight, but from the more widespread high wind impact event affecting a large portion of the Midwest, including Chicago, for the day tomorrow. Stay safe. Have a wonderful day. You've been listening to Weather with Enthusiasm, podcaster, weather enthusiast Simcha Lefton. And that's me. And thank you for listening.